Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. Welcome back to my channel. I know I am checking in after a very long time. It's been so long that I've uploaded any video on this YouTube channel. But since I moved to a new city, I have joined my new job. There was too much going in the background, and that was the reason I was unable to gather some content to upload for you guys. But now I have shifted to my new house and kind of settling down, but still I cannot guarantee regular videos because there are a lot of things that I have to learn for my new job role and everything. But since many of you were asking me this query on my LinkedIn, so I thought of sitting down and making this video. I know I'm a little late for this video. The session has already started in few colleges, and for many of you, you will be starting from 26 June. But then better late than never. I suppose if you have clicked on this video, you are going to join a B school this year. So congratulations for your conversion and all the best for your new journey. And my name is Neelam and I have very recently graduated from IIM Udaipur. In this video, I am going to tell you about few most essential things that you should take to a B school. All the things that I am going to list in this video are based on my experience in IIM Udaipur. There might be few things that can vary for you, so you can cross check with your seniors. The first and foremost thing you need in a B school is full business formals, and let me tell you what all it consists of. For men, firstly you need to have a pant and blazer set that should be in the same color and preferably formal colors. For example, you can opt for navy blue, black, grey. Then you should have a formal shirt which should be solid, no stripes and print, preferably in light color and matching with your pantsuit set. Then you should have a tie which should also complement your suit and it should be also in formal color. You should have a belt, and then for socks it should be full length and formal colored. For shoes it should be closed toe shoes and well polished. So for women you also need to have a blazer set, but then you can opt either for skirt or trouser, but the length of the skirt should be knee length, and then the color that you choose for your suit set should be formal. You can choose either black, blue, grey. You should also have full collar formal shirt that should be in solid color. No prints or stripes are allowed. And for shoes you should have closed formal plain footwear, preferably heels. Brown and nude colored footwear does not go with all the three colors that I mentioned for suits, brown, black or grey. But black footwear goes with all, so you need to check this with your college seniors if you are going to buy a nude or brown footwear. For regular classes and events that will happen there, you need to have smart casuals wherein you can wear jeans, trousers, closed toe footwear for both men and women, and then you should wear collar neck t-shirts or shirts. Girls can also wear kurti and leggings, that also counts in smart casuals. The second most important thing that you are going to need in a B school is a laptop, which is compulsory to have. If you have a laptop, well and good. If you don't have a laptop and planning to buy a new one, and you have converted your B school, I suppose you might have received offers from Apple and many other different companies. But then I would suggest that you don't need a very high-end laptop during your MBA. Just a basic i3 or i5 can do. But then if you have any other use of that laptop, you can buy based on your requirements. I did not buy a new laptop because I already had one from my undergrad college, although it was not in a very good working condition. But then I don't use laptop a lot for my personal use, so I thought of just dragging it during these 2 years, and then I know I'll really get time to use my laptop. Instead of that, I decided to buy a tablet. That was a very smart purchase because I used it for making notes in the classes and then for my personal use as well. And then lastly, needless to say, you should have a smartphone because now in MBA you will have more groups than your contacts. The third thing that I would like to mention is that if you are someone who is interested in music, you can bring your own musical instrument, but IIM Udaipur has all the musical instrument that you will need. But then for using them, you need to go to the music room. If you want to play the musical instruments in your room, you should have your own. And similarly for sports also, we have all the things available here. You need not to bring your own equipments, but then if you have and you want to bring your own, definitely you can. The fourth thing that I'm going to mention is that if you have seen my hostel room tour video, then you know that we don't get pillows. You get curtains, mattress and everything, but bed sheet, quilts and everything you need to bring. We do get a very big wardrobe, but then you don't get hangers there. So if you think you need them, you should bring. The fifth thing that I list is that you have to bring your own set of cooking utensils and serving if you like to cook. So we have been provided common induction, fridge and microwave, but for cooking anything you need your own utensils, and you should bring a set of glass, bowl, thali and spoon for eating anything inside the room. And cooking utensils, if you are fond of cooking, then you have to arrange on your own. We have a all-purpose general store inside the campus. You'll get most of the generic things there, and even if they don't have it, you can ask them to bring. They'll bring it the next day if you place the order. And otherwise you can order from GeoMart, Big Basket and everything. But I would suggest that all the basic things that you're going to need in the first 1 or 2 weeks, try to bring it with you from your home, because I suppose if you're traveling alone all by yourself to the college and reaching a day before, and during the orientation and induction you will be really occupied with things and you will not get time to buy all these stuffs. So better take it with you from your home initially for 1 or 2 weeks, and then you can figure out what all you need and you can order things easily online. So yeah, that was all it that I wanted to tell you guys about. And still, if you need any help, you can message me on my LinkedIn ID, but expect a delay in response. And comment down below what all new videos you want to see. And if you are interested in watching my vlogs, comment down that also. And if you have watched my video till here, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.